and in this vlog basically I will be helping you with tips in regarding your laptops, desktops, smartphones. Now during this lockdown time, it is very difficult to get people to come and help you out if there is a problem in your laptop, desktop or any other gadgets. So the most frequent problem that we face is like right now I have my laptop which I have been not using for a very long time, and when I plug it onto power and I try to switch it on, it switches on, but you see there's no display. So again I power it off and try once more again, and it's the same. So during this problem many of us get very confused, what should we do? So I will show you a very small tip which will help you to solve this problem sitting at home or office and anywhere else. The basic thing that you need is just a small screwdriver and an eraser. So without wasting any time, let us get with this job and show that how we will get our display black. So right now I unplug the power, I switch off my laptop, we hold the power down for it to switch off till it completely switches off. It is completely switched off. You turn it back and you will see behind your laptop there will be signs of the RAM. That is where the problem is. So we are going to open the slot which shows two signs of the RAM. So basically we use the screwdriver to open it. Simple screwdriver at home and you'll be able to open it. Just lift it up this way. We take out the RAM and we take the eraser, and at its golden edges we will just clean it. We clean it front and behind. We just blow one more time. Now this happens because of moisture. When you don't use your laptop or desktop for a long time, what happens is the moisture, the air, the dry air that gets into it, it clogs dirt, and that causes no display. So when you clean with the eraser and put back the RAM, you will get back your display. So here I put back the RAM and I push it back. Screw it back on. I turn it back, and since there's no charge, I plug in my charger and as I turn it on, and now you see your screen appears. So friends, this is how you clean your RAM and get back your display and your window comes back. I hope this video was helpful for you. So if you do like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and stay tuned for our videos which we will be uploading every week. Thank you and God bless you.